Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix randomly shuts off Realme Narzo 80 Lite problem. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, check your volume and power keys. It will suddenly press while using the hard case of your phone. So firstly check your volume and power keys. After check your volume and power keys, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then scroll down and here you can see the option schedule power on or off. Now click on it. If you turn on these buttons, then turn it off. After turning off these buttons, then go back to the main page and then click on backup and reset, and then again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and then here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.